Hello, my name is Joseph Sala. I'm a project manager here at Hanco. Hanco is a full-service repair center. We specialize in gearbox repair.
My name is Brian Glasspool. I'm a mechanical engineer, and I'm the general manager of shop operations at Hanco. Service is a big part of our business. The parts and equipment we repair are not going into storerooms to sit for years, and we're not making 20 of one component. We are making one-off gearboxes.
Our standard practice of incorporating technology allows us to communicate with clients throughout the entire refurbishment process. Each Hanco technician is equipped with mobile tablets to capture each step of our process to provide transparency that is unparalleled in our industry.
And during the documentation process, we run into a lot of challenges related to identifying parts. We don't get prints on a lot of these components. A lot of times the part numbers are rubbed off due to operation, and we need it quick and we need it fast.
Hanco's custom inspection software allows and helps us to report to our customers why a gearbox failed, what failed, and how we can eliminate recurring failures.
When we get the approval from the customer, we send out orders and we start receiving all of the components, supplied parts, and purchased items into our shop. First thing we do when we get in those pieces of equipment is they go up to our quality department. They get inspected for accuracy and then basketed and kitted. When all the parts are found accurate, they go down to the mechanic station. During the assembly process, there's a lot of settings that need documented, or if there's any issues while the unit's in service, or if the issue runs great, we're able to look back on that project the next time it comes in and see the settings that worked well for it. We check things such as backlash, end play. We take mesh contact photos of every gear set, and we take photo documentation of that gear mesh and store that electronically if any issues arise while that unit's in operation. After it's torqued together and sealed, we put it on our in-house test stand and we run it at operating speeds, again documenting key factors during the test. We record temperatures at all bearing locations. We record vibrations of the bearings, axial and radial, and we also check gear mesh frequency during the run. If the unit has an attached pump or any ancillary equipment, we try to run it with that equipment on it as well and get a true picture of how the operational behavior of this piece of equipment is going to run. After the gearbox gets tested and is approved from the test stand, the unit will get painted or coated based on the customer recommendations. That's an enamel paint, high temp paint, however they need it done. We customize the paint job for every piece of equipment that leaves here. We will tag the equipment physically with etching or other means, stamping and tagging permanently on the piece of equipment, as well as the outside of crates and the outside of protection so it's not torn open while in stores and then not unprotected while it sits in the warehouse.
At Hanco, we are proud of our ability to be flexible to meet our customers' needs. If you have any questions or inquiries, please reach out to your local ErieTec branch for service.